Hey guys, this is an HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer. It's probably the smallest all-in-one printer that I've gotten across. Um, there's a problem with these after a while. The paper accumulates on the pickup roller, and it happens on most of the printers. And it's a little bit harder to do it on this printer than others, since the roller is right in here, and it's a little bit hard to get to. So I'll show you how I do it to clean that. This, I would usually just put, for example, an alcohol swab or some paper towel with a cleaning solution in here. But this printer detects paper. If it's not there, it's just not going to do anything. So basically on the screen right now, it tells me that I need to load paper. But I need to clean this roller first, because when the printer's trying to pick it up, it's just kind of sliding on paper and not taking it in. So I'm going to use some sheets of paper. I'm going to use 2 at a time so it's stronger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach an alcohol swab over here, and also I'll show you how to do it with a paper towel if you don't have these alcohol swabs here. So the roller on here is located right in the middle. So in order to figure out where you want to staple your paper towel or the swab, we're going to kind of fold the paper in half, and this is our middle right here. So we're going to use this bent area as our guide. We're going to take the swab out of here, and we're going to attach right to the middle, and we're going to staple it on the upper side, so right here. Because when the roller is going to try to pull the paper through, it's going to work in this area, and we need to pull down from here. If you staple here, it'll just kind of go under the roller, and it's not going to do the job properly. So after I've done this, and like I said, I'm using 2 sheets just so it's stronger, because when it gets wet, it kind of loosens, and we don't want that to go into the printer. That'll cause some paper jams and may cause more problems. So it's the printer has detected some paper. We're gonna say okay, and we're going to hold this just in case. We don't want anything to feed into the printer with this setup that we have. So now, as the roller is trying to pick up paper, it's going to roll on that cleaning pad, and same thing is going to happen to the paper towel if we use that. So that's where we have our pad, as you can see, and the printer is trying to pick it up, and it's rolling against the pad, and it's cleaning it. So I'm going to press OK after it shows me the paper jam error, and I'm going to hold this paper again just to give it a second wipe, and that should be enough. After that, let's let it dry for at least a minute, and only after that put some paper in there. Okay, in my case it wasn't too dirty, but if you're using this printer a lot, maybe up to 1,000 pages or more, you're gonna see some marks from the grease that it picked up, or the paper dust, or just a dark line here from the rollers. So at this point we're just gonna wait about a minute and then let it work. For the paper towel option, we're just gonna take the half sheet. We can use actually half of this, fold it maybe a few times, not to make it too thick. I'd fold it in about 4s, and then cut the rest. Like so, and then do the same thing. I'm gonna show it on the same paper, but also in the middle, and we'll staple it up high, and just put some cleaning solution on here. Windex should just work just fine here. Don't over wet it, and you're basically going to do the same thing, is just slide it in there. You're going to see that the roller is right next to the paper towel. The printer detected that there's paper, and is basically going to do the same thing. It's just going to rub the pickup roller against the cleaning solution on the paper towel. So that's another option. I'm going to pull that out. But both of these work for me. If it's very, very dirty, then you can try to get there with your hand and clean it, but that can cause some damage. So you have to be very careful with that. So after I've waited a little bit, not even too long, I waited about 30 seconds, let it dry, and then the paper fed through just fine. And if this works for you, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with others that may have the same problem, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, guys.